Hello, my name is Azrul Aksario. I am an author and worker holder. So today I'm going to talk about paid publishing companies, and I would like to start with from PublishDrive. PublishDrive is a paid publishing company. It is a European company and it is very good company when it comes to pay the royalties to the author. And the pricing model is that if you have one book, it's free ebook, and if you have like 3 books, 6 books, 18 books and 48 books, so it has a different pricing model. It has a different price for annual it's like 13.99, and if you are paying monthly, so it is 16.99. So what it says that you will keep all your revenue. They won't take a revenue from your profit. They will bill you monthly 16.99 per month for 3 books, and your books will be distributed to 49 distribution channels. And the thing with this company is that although this company has a widest distribution channels and ebook converter, search analytics and everything you wanted, but the thing is that those who have who can sense that their books will be sold in like numerous quantities, so that they can cover $16.99 per month expense. So then for 3 books, then this company is better. Irrespective of how many units you are selling or you're making profit from, but they will charge a fixed amount for 6 months. They have different pricing model. And if you have 50 plus books, and then you can contact, they will customize the plan for you, 50 plus titles. Then they have 50 retailers and 240,000 libraries. So this company is excellent company, but the thing is that you have to pay for the ISBN cost. It will be borne by you, and the ISBN I will cover over here, but it is expensive. ISBN is expensive. Then you need to have a technical knowledge about how to format your book, paperback book and paperback cover. So this company is excellent. You should try this paid publishing company. Okay, so let's go to here, Lightning Source. Lightning Source is a part of the Ingram Content Group. Ingram Content Group is a top second or third self-publishing company in the world, and it is excellent. So the thing with this company is that they have a pricing model like $40 for one book, or if you just add it, and then it may come 85, 80 or 40, but they have this. So paperback or hardcover, if you come here, then $80 for one book, right? Just for one book, or $40 for one book. Then you have market access fee, which you have to pay after 11 months. Before completion of 12 months, it would be charged automatically after 1 year. And then you have revision fees, $45. So if you are very rich, then you can afford this cost and you can publish a book. If you one book, then no issue, because it's very minimal for you. If you have many books, then it will be a lot. But the thing with this Lightning Source is that it is the top self-publishing company in the world. Amazon use Ingram Spark in order to distribute their books. Draft2Digital use this. Publish have their own. Okay, now let's come here. They have different rules for file creation guide. In order to create your paperback book, you have to follow their rules. Then you have to follow this. You have to take a sample cover template generator. They will give you a cover template, which you can use to create your paperback cover. using the width or the measurements. It will give you as per your book size, right? Then ISBN, again it won't provide you ISBN, you have to buy your own ISBN. Okay, so this is good company. I also worked with this company for like many years, and this company, like I have been working with this company for like from May 2023 till September 2025. So this is good company, excellent company. It pays royalties on time, and I earned a lot from this company, and I suggest that you people also should publish with this company if you have money. Then let's come here. Blurb. Blurb is like publishing, separate publishing company again. It has the drawback is that the print cost of one paper, the print cost of a paperback book is huge, is higher than other companies like Amazon. Amazon has $4, so it has $10, for example. So estimate. So then again, it distribute your book to Ingram and Amazon, but you have to buy the author copy in order to enable the distribution. So this is the ultimately you are paying for the book in order to distribute that to the market. Then you have Lulu. Lulu has the same pricing model as Blurb. You have to buy the when it comes to paperback, you have to buy the author copy in order to enable your distribution to the market. But when it comes to ebook, I guess they are charging $5 for the ebook, but they are saying that we are just asking you to buy the paperback in order to, so that you can check whether it is been published correctly or not, or formatted correctly or not. Then let's come to the ISBN. Paid publishing company usually ask you to pay for your own ISBN. ISBN is the International Standard Book Number, which comes on the back of the book. It has a 13-digit number, and usually Amazon provides you for free, but when it comes to a published drive, lightning source, you have to pay by yourself. So the standard price is in USA. Bowker is responsible for issuing you ISBN. It costs you around $125, and if you're buying it in bulk like 100 ISBN, it will cost you 5.75 per ISBN. You have other options also. If you are living in Canada, it's free for you. If you are living in UK, you have to pay £89 for a single ISBN. If you are living in Australia, you have to pay $40 per ISBN. If you are in Pakistan, then you have to use the service of the National Library of Pakistan, which is a government department situated in the Islamabad, and that department is responsible for the issuance of the ISBN. And I guess they will issue you free of cost, but you have to wait for that. So ISBN is costly. Minimum is 22.9. So it is very costly, but you have to buy your own ISBN if you want to publish it with lightning source or publish type. Then after paying for the ISBN, you must have the technical knowledge of the book formatting as well as cover design, because they won't provide you automatic or any tools which you can use to generate your cover, like final cover. They provide you template but not final cover. You have to do it by yourself. Then you should have a technical knowledge about the paperback book formatting rules, and for that there is Amazon Amazon KDP paper size. If you just write Amazon, so they give you template, right? Template, if you have paper size templates, so you can use this template in order to use this template for the for the published drive and lightning source. See, premium color, usually black and white. So you have to write like cream paper, then reading distribution, left to right or right to left, it's up to you. Measurement inches, then trim size 6.9. Say, right, same page count, for example 200. calculate dimensions, so it gives you this is how the template looks like. So you get the template from here. Then you have to use the specialized software to put your final cover over here. Same is the case with Lightning Source. Lightning Source will provide a template like this, and then you are responsible for making the final cover, put the front cover over here, back cover here, and you have to take care of the spine width as well. And if you are making any even the smallest millimeter mistake, then the book will be rejected and you have to pay for the revision cost. So this is pretty much everything about the paid publishing companies, and I hope you find it useful. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.